friends, welcome to Christy's Adventures and welcome to the RV. I am super excited. It is finally camping season. Oh, I'm so excited. Getting there. So now I am going to get this RV cleaned up, ready. My husband is going to unwinterize it and get it ready for our weekend camping trip. So excited. Still don't even know where we're going yet. Back to RV life for the weekend. I'm really curious. Any of my RV fellow subscribers or anyone watching the video that has an RV, what is your go-to for a more comfortable bed? Because this mattress that came with the RV is terrible, so uncomfortable. We do have foam. So we have this extra foam padding and then this on it also. But this mattress is so uncomfortable. So if you guys know of any good, either a whole new mattress or even just a different foam that's a little bit more comfortable, please leave it in the comments to help your girls back out. But I love the RV besides the mattress. I love everything about this RV. It's just, yes, it is small, but it fits us. Family of 4 with 2 dogs. It's a little tight, a little squishy, but we don't spend a lot of time in the RV. We're more out exploring, off-roading. You know all the fun adventures. We are going to be getting a bucky dirty. Gonna go off-roading. This is just the start of the video. Getting the RV ready and then we're gonna be on an adventure. I'm so excited. So I am going to attempt installing this for our door for the RV because Mr. Rocky the baby hates being away from his mama, hates being away from family. If we're out there, he's like, no, what you doing? You gotta bring me out. And even if it's too cold, he still wants to be out there. And he has done this to our screen. And we actually did replace it, but we got stuff that was too thick, so it did not stay. And then this stuff was also a little bit too thick, so it did not stay very well. And as you can see, he tore it right here. So we need to buy more screen that's like this for it and replace it. So let's get this thing installed. I'm excited. He's not getting through this. He is gonna cry like a little baby and he's not gonna like it, but it's definitely a must. We do have to drill right here and here on each side. This is gonna look so nice. Look at that. That looks good. Oh, he is going to be grumpy over that. Look at this. How much nicer that looks. Yes. See where Rocky has scratched to try to get this open? So this is a lot better. Look at that. Bam. So beautiful. First camping trip season. Hey friends, guess what? It's back to camping time. Our first camping trip of the season. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Oh, love this area. Wish we could have gotten off more off the road, but it is a Saturday. The hubby got off work really late Friday and just did not feel like trying to find a camping spot at night. Oh, birds chirping. It's so beautiful here. Already got mud on Bucky and the trailer. We'll get the doggies and get set up. Definitely gonna be keeping them on the leashes just because this guy loves ATVs and there's a lot of ATVs right now. It is hot. Go this way. I smell something. Here, you want to hold Rocky or Annie? Rocky. Well, I know we'll look at it, but I don't think it's a good idea to have Annie and Rocky in it. Yeah, no.
The runoff from the snow.
Yep. Dang, look at that, guys. She's like, I want in there.
Not safe, baby.
That's not safe. So exciting. What do you smell, baby? What? Look at those kiddos. They're way up there. Right there. Get some water? You get some water. You're patiently waiting, aren't you, baby girl?
Oh. Hi. Is it hard getting up there? Is it hard getting up there?
He's so confused. That looks good.
Right there?
Yeah. I like that better. So you're good? Good to put them back on? Why are you crying?
Sand from the ocean.
Yep. No. Rocky. Annie's like, yes, water. You're such a little water girl. You don't care. It's cold.
He does.
Oh. You're mean. He's like, nope, nope, nope.
Annie, come on.
Rocky. He's more worried about Cody.
We're not all together.
I know, he freaks out. Let's go walk in the water, buddy. We're walking to the end. Here. You want to take him?
Yeah, she likes more water.
Come on, Annie. You go in the water? Look it. That's my girl, my little water girl. No. You're like, I got in. I feel good right now.
Of course, as soon as we get here, it's cold. Whoa.
Oh, water. So cool.
Stop it, water. Did you see that rock right there?
Oh, yeah.
It.
It was that one, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. Look at that. Whoop.
Rocky.
He's gonna be worried about the kids. He's like, no, I don't like family separated.
Especially you.
Oh yeah. Look at his stance. He's so cute. Oh, that's a good boy. You got in it. He's like, where's the kids? Where's the
Did you
kids?
stick your feet in it?
Yeah. And get back in, baby girl.
Stop pulling.
Oh yes. Does that feel good? I mean, definitely not warm enough to actually swim right now, but still nice. Look at that. I'm right here, buddy. Still some snow on the mountains. Oh, Rocky is such a chicken. Ooh. You like the water? You my water dog? So before I had my YouTube channel, we came here and we kayaked and we went all the way around this island and we did it with Alexia and I, and of course Gizzy Momo was in the kayak with me, and then you had your own kayak, and we went all the way around this island little area and went over. It was very fun, but it was very tiring. By the time we got back, you were done, huh, Alexia? She was tired. Aww. Watching the waves come in is just so peaceful and so beautiful. Oh, I'm ready for summer. Now we're gonna head back to our campsite and get some dinner going and campfire. I just made up some yummy dip. The hubby is barbecuing the skewers with this garden ranch seasoning that I got on Thrive Market. All good ingredients, of course, because, you know, you girl, we're trying to stay healthy. Whoa, Rocky. Skewers are smelling so good. Let's see. Chips. Rocky knows he's going to be getting a steak later tonight because we're having steak for dinner because I bought them some. It's good. Not yet, but I will.
Is it done?
Needs more seasoning.
Nubby-dow!
Of course, he's with his mama.
Nubby-dow! Nubby-dow! Nubby-dow!
Mommy got you guys a steak. Look at it. Right. I got a steak for the doggies to share. So Daddy's gonna grill it on a little bit in the grill.
I want to feed the steak to them.
Here. Some beef liver. Oh, yes.
Steak.
Well, I might do that then. I might just go up the hood just to
Good catch. They love these beef livers. It went under you. You got back up some more, Annie.
You actually think so?
She didn't get it. Mm-hmm. Alan, would you get that again? Would you get that again? Zevia sodas are so good. I love Olipop too. Here, babe.
Wait, you're gonna watch the game from
I
over there?
can't watch it from the entire time.
Oh, I just spilt wine.
Oh, the wine's really good.
Yum, yum.
I wasn't fighting. I was in the bathroom.
Mr. Rocky. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Are you demanding loves? Are you demanding loves, you pretty thing? You pretty thing. Look at you, gorgeous girl.
Did you even see one kid at that concert?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot. Yeah, she saw a baby.
Such a pretty girl. Oh, look at you.
I know. I
Gosh,
remember
she's
that
so
monkey
gorgeous.
backpack I had.
She's so gorgeous.
Or leash, I
yes,
should say.
yes, you are.
Yeah, the leash
Look
was
at that handsome dude. Mr. Guard Dog, you watching everything, anything you hear, you're like, oh, what is that? Mr. Guard Dog? You Mr. Guard Dog? Love you, bubbles. I love you. Oh, look at that pouty look.
gone.
Is Mommy getting a fire started?
I can't get it.
Sweetheart. I don't see nothing. What do you see? You hear something? You guys, Rocky sees something. Or hears something. Look at him. What's over there, baby? We're having so much fun. Do you want Mommy to go check it out? Will you feel better?
It's not starting.
He's
You
our
do it,
little
Mom.
guard dog.
That's how you do it. Where's my phone? What? Okay, let me try.
I go up to like 4 bars and it goes down to 2 bars.
Say
and then, like,
Were
3
you
bars.
over there?
What?
Were you ever over there?
No.
I started my first fire. It's not your first fire. You've started fire. Oh, she's digging. You do not like family apart, do you? You don't like it when we're separated, huh, baby? You still got wine on you from Daddy spilling it. Yeah, he's crying for you.
Oh, the fire already gone out.
Look at her. She's digging.
How small it is.
No, it's good. Just don't move the wood around too much because you got to get it going.
I'm trying to move it into the fire.
See, those trailers been to California, Washington, Oregon, Montana, Utah.
This is a tough branch.
So all they had to do is
Yeah?
play the defense.
You get that some more wood. Ow. You watching your sister?
I want to cook it.
Look at all that wood. Dang, girl.
I'll go from that one. There, got extra wood.
Good job. So you can sit with Mama and get our cuddles.
I do want one that so you and I can sit together.
Well, guess who is going to be taking it over?
It's that dog.
That dog. That dog.
It's worse than
That dog.
It's
He's
worse
a
than
Yeah, that dog.
Hi, it. How you doing, it? Hi, it.
See, I'm Rocky. I'm the baby.
You're not gonna ride that ride, Cody.
He knows his steak is cooking. Did Sissy get your
Wanna look at
steak
my hand?
going? Rocky, is your steak cooking? Annie, your steak is cooking.
Turn off the pump, please.
Yes, and the
Look at that.
What?
Turn off the pump, please.
I don't know how to turn off.
That button that's lit up.
This is the best Mother's, well, today's not Mother's Day, but Mother's Day weekend.
Where's the spatula?
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
He knows that's his steak. He's patiently waiting.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
This has no seasoning because obviously dogs
Nope,
can't have
dogs can't have seasoning. Ooh, now Daddy's cooking our steak.
Come on, Annie, knock it.
Hold on, let me get them.
I know. Oh, look at her eyes. I don't know how to pop out her eyes.
Don't tease him. He's drooling. Did you guys like that? Was that yum yums? Was that yum yums? Good morning, friends. Happy Mother's Day. Got myself my breakfast. Got myself coffee on a very rainy Mother's Day. Raining outside right now. Woo-hoo.
Did he jump at it?
Yes, he jumped at it again.
Dog jumps at branches.
Rocky, you're such a dork. I don't know. I'm gonna get out and walk up there.
I think he'll be alright.
Let me see the camera. That sexy girl. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be going much farther. I think this turns into an ATV trail. Yep. Yeah, no.
Not that much green. It's basically. Yeah, there's like
It's so beautiful.
more red to it.
The baby fell. hit another dead end. Kids are gonna climb up a little bit. Doggies are taking a potty break. And I think I'm gonna take a thumbnail photo. It's definitely getting stormy. And we've got the top partly off. Keep fingers crossed it doesn't rain, guys. This is the best Mother's Day. Just being out and exploring and getting away. Look at Annie go! She just ran up towards them. She's way up there. I think I'm actually going to put my pants and tennis shoes back on because it's cold. The clouds going, oh my gosh, I cannot believe how high they are. Oh my goodness, we're getting rained and hailed on right now. Wet t-shirt contest, I guess.
Yeah.
Can I get back there now?
No.
Why?
Dude, you did not like...
Oh.
Oh.
It's worse when you stop. Oh, oh my.
Oh my gosh, look at the steering wheel. Look at this puddle.
Now do you regret this?
No, because it's still... I guess Bucky's getting cleaned inside.
Oh. Are you wet?
Oh, I'm wet, baby.
Oh, we're all wet. We're wet.
Except for that.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, my ear.
It did not say anything about hail. It said light rain, not heavy rain.
Don't think it's funny?
Yeah.
Well, I literally have ice on my shirt. Ah! 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 Ow! Ow! Oh, my ear! Ow!
Point it to the kids. Oh my God.
Ow!
Oh my gosh, I got hail in my legs. My pants are soaked.
Can I still not hop back there with the dog?
No, I don't want to stop, and you're not doing that while I'm driving.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, because it makes it worse when we're stopped.
Yeah.
We're gonna fall off. We're taking the top off. It's both of you adults' fault. Adults are supposed to be smart, not kids.
We gotta be almost back.
Ow! Ow! That hit my boobie. Ooh. Hail hit the boobie. Ow! Ow! Yep, that hurt.
Ow! Ow!
It hit my ear. Oh! Ow! That hit my
Ow.
boob again. My shirt is soaked. My pants are soaked.
Cody just put some hell down my shirt. That was a big piece too.
Ow! It hit the
They're like
tip of
little
my
peppers hitting
ear.
us.
Oh.
Ah, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, it looks like we have things blowing away. Oh yeah, some of our things are blowing away.
Ow! 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 Ow!
I like when we talk about you guys like freaked out.
Ow! Hey, we gotta get the dog here. Put it in the monkey.
Oh my gosh!
Monkey doesn't want to come out.
What? No, we can't leave.
Yeah, level approved. I went paintballing and it felt like
little paintballs here.
Oh my gosh. We're soaked. And it's lightning and thundering. Poor Cody had to carry Rocky in because he did not want to get in. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, look at this floor. What do you think about that, buddy? Brother had to carry you out of the vehicle, out of Bucky. And then Annie came back to check. I'm gonna go take the camera out and we're gonna see what that messy Bronco looks like.
Take a towel.
Yes, definitely take a towel to it and clean her up because Bucky's gonna be messy, huh? Looks like it's stopped.
Can you look?
You're so cute. Rocky, do you wanna go outside? What do you see? What do you see? There's nothing there. Look at all that rain. Oh, mud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how steamy the windows are. Yeah. Bear sprays wet. Look at all that. Oh, jeez. See what the back looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, shorts didn't get wet.
Want to try that again?
Yeah. It was fun to me. I'm not gonna lie. I was laughing.
I mean, the hail did kind of hurt.
The hail did hurt, yes. You guys, that was insane, but it was so much fun. I'm not gonna lie, it was still fun. But poor Bucky. Oops. All she needed to be deep clean, so can we count that as a deep clean? Rained on in the Bronco for Mother's Day and hailed on. The hail was the worst. Oh my gosh. There's like, there's puddle. Look at that. It's puddles right here. And it literally looked like it was clearing up, like the clouds were clearing out. But nope. It didn't help that I passed our campsite. Because I couldn't see it. It was raining so hard. Oh, and you wanted to take the 2 front doors off if we had the bags?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the hubby wanted to take the doors off if we would have remembered to bring the bags with us. That would have been way worse. Oh my goodness. At least Broncos are made to be okay if they get rained on when the top is off. I think that's pretty much as good as it's gonna get right now. I look like a hot mess right now. My hair is soaked where my hair was showing from the hat. But I'm curious to see what this creek looks like after all that rain and hail that we just got. Look at that. Look at all the beautiful fresh leaves. Yeah, the water's coming up here now. Look at all the fresh growth. Spring and summer's a-coming. So it's kind of crazy. Our trailer's just like right over there. But these 2 trees right here, we were sitting and drinking coffee and I swore I saw something walk behind the trees, but then it just disappeared. Didn't see anything after that. But Who knows what it was? Could have been just a deer. These shoes are amazing. Look at that. They're wet. Oh, the sun's coming out. All wet. Then my feet are dry. Woo! Sun's really coming out just for a second. So pretty, girl. Hey friends, it is rainy and cold and we are all hooked up and ready to head home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another crazy rained on, hailed on adventures. Hopefully not another one, but it's still kind of raining right now. We were almost ready to go and it started pouring again. They're ready to go. They're like, nope, we got to put the seat down. They're ready to go. They're like, get out of here.
Okay.
He's like, Dad, that's higher up. They're so cute. Well, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.